Hi folks, Bob from Fusion. Today, I'm really excited to announce two brand new products that we'll be adding to the Fusion lineup. You know, we've been a custom shop for years and we've built production 1911s, plus we are a significant OEM supplier of parts to a lot of the different companies in the industry. This announcement puts us into a whole new realm of the wide body pistols and, yes, a striker fire. This project started approximately a year ago and we've been working diligently, the whole entire team here at Fusion. We're also teamed up in a collaborated effort with Ermox. Why are we doing this? We're doing this to bring out the finest product at the best value for our customers. Our team together with Ermox has been phenomenal. Our engineering staff here, which a lot of you people who work with us every day, you know us, it's all family here and friends at Fusion. You call in here, you're talking with me, you're talking to my son Tyler, you're talking to Trevin, my son-in-law. You know we're a tight-knit group. We're passionate about offering high quality and value and features in our products to our customers. One step we've taken is extreme development in the last year on these two new products. The first one is the XP Pro. This is actually a 9mm wide body pistol, 4-inch bull barrel Clark ramp. This is a hybrid pistol, but you'll have similar components as a 1911, such as the sear, the hammer, the disconnector, the extractor, firing pin, stop light, all that type of stuff, okay? So there's a lot of features that are standard 1911 that you can easily use parts from any of your 70 series 1911s out there. There are a few unique parts because of the unique construction of this hybrid pistol. Highlights of the pistol will be everything on this pistol except for one part is bar stock machined. There is no castings, there's no MIM, there's no any of that. It's all 100% CNC machined bar stock parts. The only other part that is not bar stock will be the mag catch. That is a polymer. Anybody that's been following us, you'll see the X-Power takes Glock magazines. Instead of paying $60, $80, $100 for a magazine, you know, you can pick up Glock magazines for $25. It's a very good feature for value for our customers and adds value to the pistol itself. The finishing on the pistol is top of the line. You'll have Tenifer as a base finish. Now, the grip area is aluminum. You have a few aluminum parts, so you see machined at a 70-75. You've got a nice mag well. The mag well is aluminum, and the mainspring housing here is aluminum that's checkered. All bar stock, machined, and then hard coated. We have a solid steel frame. This is not an aluminum frame, it's not a plastic frame. Frame to slide fit extremely well. Tight, go again into a steel slide, which the slide is done really nicely with a partial tri-top, has nice cocking serrations on the top of the slide. You also have cocking serrations on the rear. We have a standard front sight. We have a mounting plate on the rear so that you can mount many of your favorite optics, your RMRs, your SROs. Then there's two plates that come with the pistol, and there's some other plates that we're working on now for some other optics too. The rear sight is again another standard sight cut. So if you want to change out the rear sight to an adjustable, you want to change it out to a bigger U-notch, tritium, whatever you favor, it's easy for you to do that. The controls on the pistol are extremely nice, very ergonomic. The mag catch is an extended button, very easy to get your fingers on and to use. The ambidextrous thumb safety here is very nice. Has a little bit wider paddle on the weak side versus the strong side. Slide stop, again, is slightly extended, but not where it's going to get caught in your holster, your clothing, or anything. This has been a real favorite part. We have many people who shoot target shooting, testing these pistols for us, and bringing us continuous feedback as we make the EC changes to these pistols. We even have a Bianchi Cup winner that's shooting our pistols right now, and you know, giving us feedback on certain things that we should be changing on the pistol or not for our last revisions, and they're already in these pistols that we're getting ready to ship here in the next few weeks. The barrel again is a match grade barrel, flush cut and target crown, full profile reverse plug system. Nothing is skimped upon on this pistol. Also, you'll have chrome finish available, Tenifer and then hard chrome over top. A lot of people like the chrome look. It's more of a satin. Another nice feature that I like on the X-Power is the removable mag well. You take one pin out, move it forward, slide it back out, the whole mag well comes right off. So if you don't want the mag well on there for, say, carry conceal, you can take it right off. The butt is rounded on this and everything for comfort for carrying. We also have a manufacturer of holsters here in Florida that are producing holsters for this. We'll have the standard holsters for standard pistol setup. We'll also have the holsters that'll be for items like if you want to put a streamlight on it or something of that nature. Accuracy on the X-Power so far has just been phenomenal. Some of the targets, now these are being shot off a bench at about 7 yards just to see how we were going to target them, because we just started doing accuracy testing on these, and they've been just phenomenal shooters. I mean, you're just blowing the center out of the target. Yeah, that's me. I pulled a few here and there. It's just grouping beautifully. We'll have the plate so that if you want an SRO or the RMR on there, we do have the plate options for that. One of them, extra plate, comes with the pistol itself, and a few magazines and some nice packaging. What else did we get into? Well, with Ermox, we got into the X-Fire. The X-Fire is our first striker fire, and this has been a total redesign. The whole top end's been redesigned, some of the mechanics have been redesigned, the trigger's been redesigned, the sighting systems have been redesigned to be called the XF Pro or the X-Fire. It is based off the Glock design. It has basically a Glock barrel, similar to a Glock trigger group. Most of the internals are very close to a Glock. The other thing, which is so nice, the lower is not polymer. It's solid machine, 70-75 aluminum, made to really fit your hand, extremely nice, fits well, points well, and holsters very well. The slide is all steel, cocking serrations, vent cuts, some cocking serrations here, texture in that for people that like to cock that way. The extra sight plates so that you can, again, go with RMR and SRO. You do have a very nicely done tactical rail out front, and this will be our striker fire pistol. We'll get into this deeper as we move down the road on this too, stripping it apart, going over all the parts. With both pistols, we're gonna have full parts and service all through Fusion, aftermarket parts, extra grip sections. As I talk about grips, we'll talk about the grips on the XF Pro. Has removable grip panels. You'll have some features of different colors, different textures, things like that. And again, takes standard Glock magazines. Texturing is nice on the pistol, front and back. Front of the trigger guard textured finishes will be the hard coat on the bottom, Tenifer on the steel black parts, and then we will have a hard chrome option also, which will have a combination of the nitro carburized parts, Tenifer parts, and the hard chrome. We'll have it spiced up so people that like the chrome look, you'll be able to get it in the X-Fire also. There'll be more coming on both these pistols, but again, we're super excited about releasing these pistols and getting them out to the public. Many of you are really excited about these new releases. Hey, we've been being like inundated with influencers and people that want to test, and people that I've known in the industry for 20-30 years that want to get one of these in their hands and take them out and ring them out. We're real happy about, you know, all the excitement that's been building out there. We want to make sure that these pistols are just going to be the best for our customer, the best value for our customer, and the best quality for our customers. We worked extremely hard as a group, as a team, with our manufacturing partners to make this really happen. We really appreciate all the feedback from all of you, our customers that have been feeding back to us with a lot of different information on the things they like and don't like, and we really appreciate all that feedback and help from all of you, our customer base. So, okay, so we'll have more coming about these pistols. Thank you.